Today I'm sharing how I make a wholemeal bread loaf for my family. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings or 10 to 12 slices of wholemeal bread. The ingredients needed are 270 grams of wholemeal flour, chilled, 200 grams of bread flour, chilled, 250 ml of cold milk, 45 grams of sugar, 30 grams of butter, 2.2 grams of bread softener, 4 grams of salt, and 8 grams of active dry yeast. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Add all the wholemeal flour in the mixing bowl, bread flour, sugar, bread softener, salt, and the active dry yeast. Roughly mix them with a silicone spatula or hand whisk. Then add all the butter and all the cold milk. Attach the dough hook to a mixer. Bring it down. Lock it and start the machine to knead the dough. I am using the second or low speed to slowly mix the wet and dry ingredients for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, all the ingredients are well combined and have become a lovely dough. Continue to knead it for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the dough is ready. Let's check it. Switch off the machine, tilt the motor heads up, pull the dough. If it is stretchable and weakly elastic like this, then it is ready. It actually already looks like a bread. Take it out from the mixer. Sprinkle some bread flour on the flat surface. Put the dough. I am going to knead it for just 8 to 10 turns. Shaping the dough into a round ball. Put it in a large basin to double in size. Cover with cling wrap, followed by the dark color cloth. Let the dough rest for about 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, the dough rose so much. It is now much bigger in size. Before shaping the dough, let's prepare the baking pan. I have some parchment paper here just to lie it at the bottom of the pan. This makes it much easier to take the bread out later. Brush the butter on all the sides of the pan. Lie the parchment paper at the bottom of the pan while applying some butter on it. Okay, all done? Leave it aside. Remove the cling wrap. Punch the bread down a few times to release the air from the dough. Sprinkle some bread flour on the flat surface. Put the dough. Flatten and shape it according to the bread mold so it just fits. Roll it in a cylinder shape. Drop it in the bread mold. Cover with cling wrap and lightweight cloth this time. Set it aside to proof or rise one last time for an hour. Preheat the oven after 55 minutes. After 1 hour, the dough has risen so much. It's about 1 inch above the mold. This is perfect. Bake in the preheated oven at 150 Celsius for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, I am making a tent to cover the bread in the oven. This is to prevent over-browning on the top of the loaf. This step is optional and depends on your oven. Place it on the top of the loaf. After 30 minutes, take the bread out from the oven. Separate the bread from the side of the mold with a small knife. Then, turn the mold upside down and take the bread out from the pan. And we have a beautiful homemade wholemeal bread for dinner tonight or breakfast tomorrow. I will leave it on a cooling rack to completely cool before cutting it into slices. Alright, after about 2 hours, the bread has completely cooled down. Let's cut it. Wow, the bread is really soft and fluffy. Continue cutting until complete. And here is my version of homemade wholemeal bread. Let's try it. It is really soft, fluffy and nice. Even eating it on its own, it is already delicious. This will go so well with sandwiches. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.